Good morning, everyone. Today I will tell you a story entitled The Prince and the Pauper by Mark Twain. My name is Jason Benedict, present 13 from Age. Script of English story. Title: The Prince and the Pauper. Theme: Social Equality, Justice, and Identity. Writer Mark Twain. Part 1. Character and characteristic. Prince Edward. Prince Edward is kind, courteous, fair, and brave. Tom Canty. The Pauper. Tom Canty is poor, honest, smart, and humble. King Henry. King Henry is strict but caring. He is an honest king and a loving father. 2. Time and place. The story takes place in the 16th century in England, especially the palace and poor areas of London. 3. Background of the story. Prince Edward lives a luxurious life in the palace, while Tom Canty lives in poverty. One day, they meet near the palace gate and realize that they look exactly the same. They exchange clothes just for fun. 4. Conflict problem. After exchanging clothes, Prince Edward is mistaken for a pauper and is forced out of the palace. Tom Canty is believed to be the prince. No one believes the real prince. Then who is involved? Prince Edward and Tom Canty. Why does the problem happen? That because Prince Edward and Tom Canty look exactly the same. They exchange clothes and people judge them by appearance, not by their true identity. 5. Climax. The climax happens when Prince Edward faces his biggest challenge. He struggles to prove his true identity while living as a poor boy. At the same time, Tom Canty feels afraid and confused in the palace. This situation becomes very tense. 6. Resolution in the end. Prince Edward proves his true identity. He used his royal knowledge and the royal seal. People finally believe him. Prince Edward returns to the palace and becomes king. Because of his experience as pauper, he becomes a wise and fair king. The story ends happily. 7. Moral value or message. Plot. Moral value. Beginning. Prince Edward lives a rich life in the palace, while Tom Canty lives in poverty in London. They come from very different social class. Then the middle, they exchange clothes and roles. They experience each other's lives and learn that people are judged by appearance and status. Then ending. Guys, the Prince Edward returns as king and rules wisely, understanding the life of poor people. The moral value. The moral value of the story is that a person's true character is not shown by wealth or social status. Everyone deserves respect. A good leader must understand the lives of ordinary people. Because of this experience, Prince Edward becomes a fair and wise king. Thank you guys for listening.